Once you have gone through the process of copying all the homework assignments, you will want to schedule the due dates to match your class schedule. If I'm seeing the copy course here, but I'm not seeing any of the assignments, so if I click on Future, then all the homework assignments will show up. You can go in and schedule them individually, or the easiest thing to do is click on Reschedule all of the assignments, and then it'll bring up a screen that'll allow you to go through and change the due dates. This available is when the students see it. The due date is when it's due for homework, and then this is how long the students can go back and look at the homework assignments if you want to extend that to the end of the semester. The other thing that you may want to do is edit one of the homework assignments. So if you want to change some of the homework problems that are selected, you can click the Edit button and scroll down to where you see this is a listing of all the questions that are selected from the text. It tells you what section it's from. This is from section 1.1, question number 28. If I go into the question browser, I can select the textbook in question. Our textbook is the Clark textbook for Math 92. I can go to a particular chapter in the book and section, and then I can choose which problems I want to select. Any problem that you want to select, you can hit Add, and it'll add it to this list. You can also delete questions here if you want to remove them.